Welcome to Medicare for All Explained. This podcast will enlighten our listeners and dispel the distortions that surround Medicare for All. Medicare for All Explained is produced in collaboration with Physicians for a National Health Program and is hosted and produced by Joe Sparks. I'm your host, Joe Sparks. This is episode 124, Bad Healthcare News. There has been much news in the world and the United States, which in my opinion has been mostly bad. And I am sad to say that healthcare is no exception. The proposed cuts to Medicaid could leave millions without care. A Kaiser Family Foundation poll from earlier this month found that 72% of adults are correctly worried that funding cuts to Medicaid will increase the number of uninsured children and adults in the U.S. In my opinion, 100% of adults should be worried about that. In fact, the Congressional Budget Office estimates the proposed cuts in the wrongly named Big Beautiful Bill will cause 10.9 million more Americans to be uninsured by 2034 due to reduced Medicaid funding and changes in ACA marketplace eligibility. There is even more bad news. Robert Kennedy Jr., the head of the Department of Health and Human Services, is messing with vaccine requirements so that less children are getting vaccinated. There were 285 cases of measles reported in 2024, and as of mid-May of this year, there have been 1,000 new cases of measles and 3 unnecessary measles-related deaths of children. A health advocate like myself is playing defense, hoping we can stop legislation that prevents the horrible U.S. healthcare system from getting even worse. In the meantime, this fight is a deadly distraction that makes it harder to champion what is really necessary to fix the broken and often fatal results of the current U.S. healthcare system, Medicare for All. So hopefully, my fellow advocates and I can prevent our healthcare system from getting worse and fix it by passing Medicare for All. Thank you for listening. You have been listening to Medicare for All Explained. Remember to tell your family, friends, and colleagues about this podcast. Information about Medicare for All Explained can be found at our website, medicareforallexplained.org. The music for this show is Super Bubbly by Jesse Spillane. The logo was created by Lily Sparks. Thank you for listening.